Habia Sport Central.
Khnam's working president Thomas Passa seeks transparency in Meghalaya'S tendering process. A memorandum to the Printing and Stationery Department highlighted concerns over closed tendering for scrap disposal. Passa argued that closed tenders foster favoritism and biasness. Khnam advocates for open tenders, ensuring fairness, transparency and accountability in governance. This push for reform aims to safeguard public interest and promote equal opportunities for all bidders.
The department has floated a closed tender, and this is where we have objection. Therefore, we have submitted a letter to the director. We have made our demand clear that this tender should be open tender so that the procedure is clear and transparent.